Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So again I am here with the Nifty level update for the coming week, and along with that I will discuss some global scenario. Because of that our stock market was outperforming in the last week and even this month, and it is going to affect in coming week also. So stay connected till then to know the Nifty 50 and Niftybank level, and subscribe the channel also for the regular index update. So let's begin with the global market. What is happening in the global market that I will discuss later. First, let me first discuss in last week our stock market Nifty 50, Nifty Bank was outperforming. It was very positive, and it has broken the all time high. Nifty 50 has broken the all time high also, and it was very positive. What was the reason? That I will discuss in some points. What possibility in coming week. If you see the global market, the Nifty 50, Nifty Sensex, Nifty Bank, they all were performing very good. And if you go to the global market, DJI was very good, S&P 500 was very good, Nasdaq was also very good. मतलब कि सारे index was doing very good. And one more important thing मैं अभी बता दिखा देती हूँ. I will show it here that Brent oil is very down. I think Brent oil is down by 2%, 2%, around 2%. ये अभी कम होके दिखा रहा है. Around 2% it was down on Friday. तो ऑयल भी अच्छा खासा गिर चुका है, एंड दैट इज अगेन अ गुड न्यूज फॉर द स्टॉक मार्केट, इवन फॉर द ग्लोबल मार्केट, फॉर द इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट ऑल्सो. सो this was actually scenario in last week. Now I will discuss one by one what was the reason. Even in in this last month, means I'm talking about the November month. Even in last month it has overperformed. बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म किया निफ्टी ने. मतलब आई विल से एक्चुअली 5.6% मूवमेंट हुआ है इन नवंबर. आई विल शो इन यू इन द चार्ट लेटर. बट अभी के लिए जस्ट स्टॉक मार्केट में निफ्टी 50 हैज आउट परफॉर्म, निफ्टी बैंक आउट परफॉर्म, सारे इंडेक्स भी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. और रीजन क्या था? तो रीजन ये था कि वन बाय वन आई विल डिस्कस. इट वाज नंबर वन रीजन वाज दैट rally. There was rally in heavyweights stocks like Reliance, SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, TCS. तो जो सारे हैवी वेट स्टॉक्स थे, they were showing very good positivity. They were performing, they were showing giving the rally. और उसकी वजह से they have taken our Nifty 50 अपवर्ड. तो उसकी वजह से निफ्टी में बहुत अच्छा मूवमेंट दिखाई दिया, और इन स्टॉक्स में तो अच्छा मूवमेंट था ही. एंड नंबर टू रीजन, द ग्लोबल न्यूज क्या आ रही है? द वन इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज या स्पेक्यूलेशन कह सकते हैं, या फिर वी कैन से कि एक सजेशन आ रहा है. किसको? यूएस फेडरल रिजर्व को. US Federal Reserve is getting the suggestion that मतलब एक possibility, market is expecting a possibility of interest rate cut. Only expectation, because of inflation is continues to decline. इन्फ्लेशन लगातार गिरता जा रहा है. तो अब वो समय आ जाना चाहिए कि यूएस फेडरल रिजर्व को भी, इवन आरबीआई को भी अब इंटरेस्ट रेट में थोड़ा बहुत कट करना चाहिए. It should happen. Actually it is expectation only, and in this expectation even global market also and Indian stock market also is showing positivity. Number two, no, this was number two. Now we're coming to number three, rupees firm. यस, रुपीज बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गया है, बिकॉज द स्ट्रेंथनिंग इन द रुपीज अगेंस्ट यूएस डॉलर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल्सो बूस्टेड सेंटिमेंट ऑफ द स्टॉक मार्केट. तो रुपीज कितना हो गया? रुपीज इज एक्चुअली ऑन 83.31 against the dollar. So it was on last week की बात बता रही हूँ मैं. So this is also a very positive news for the stock market. Now number 4 is GST collection. तो GST collection में क्या हुआ है? A good news, a positive sign is there that GST collection is now in this time in November month is up by 15% y on y in नवंबर मंथ. तो लास्ट ईयर से इस मंथ में नवंबर में फ्रॉम द लास्ट ईयर वाई ऑन वाई 15% का इंक्रीज है इन द जीएसटी कलेक्शन में, जो कि है 1.68 लाख करोड़. 1.68 लाख करोड़ का जीएसटी कलेक्शन हुआ है. तो कि शायद लास्ट मंथ इट वाज लिटिल मोर, आई गेस इट वाज 1.727, इट वाज 1.72 समथिंग, जो कि इस मंथ में थोड़ा सा डाउन हुआ है, 2% शायद डाउन हुआ है, बट स्टिल इट इज y on y 15% increase in GST collection. That is also a very good news for the stock market. The stock market is taking it very, very positively. Now number 5 is Brent oil decline. Brent oil decline, yes, जो कि I just discussed that, I will show you again that Brent oil was down, slumped on Friday by even 2%, 2.1 or 2% something. It was down, and it was at 79.56%. So 56, yes. So this is also a very, very good and positive sign for the stock market. So these all important these point which has taken our market, stock market, to that all time high level. I mean, it has broken the last ATH, which was 20,002 to 2, yes, 20,222, and it has broken, and I guess it has come to the around 20,300 around something. I will just check in the chart. This was the proper scenario of the global market, global scenario, which I can discuss. I have given all the data and the reason for the positivity. So according to this whole scenario of the global market, also for the Indian stock market also, what is going to happen in the next week, taking all the level, in considering all the level in the mind. So now I will go to the Nifty 50 chart. So now we have come to the Nifty 50 chart, and before that I want to mention one more thing, that Sunday is it is Sunday. The video I am making, अभी तक कोई result नहीं आया है, because this is Saturday. So maybe in Sunday, the 5 states election result is scheduled to actually come on Sunday. Yes, Sunday. So these election results, the upcoming election results may also affect the stock market in coming week. So it depends क्या result आता है, it depends on that कि stock market how it is taking these results for the coming week. So keep these important event for the coming week for the stock market. So now see the chart. Now see the chart I have made. This is a resistance line. This is a resistance line. मैं कई बार से बना रही हूँ. अब ये है ये यहाँ पे आके 20,500 का ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है, और कई टाइम से ये रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे आके इस ट्रेंड लाइन पे ये रेजिस्टेंस लेता है. तो निफ्टी 50 is trading at 20,257. Earlier I have, in my last video I gave the resistance of 19,875, 875, yes, here I guess here Here I gave the resistance in last week, and if you will see my whole video, I have mentioned very precisely key. If it is breaking this resistance in that last week, it is definitely going to touch the all time high. And see, it has even not only touched the all time high, it has even broken the all time high even within the week also. So this I will give that video in I button, even in description box also. You can check the video and can check the level and the things I have discussed in the last video. The same thing happened in last week. It has broken the that resistance what I gave, 19,875, and then from there it never, even one day it never looked back. Day by day it was only showing positivity. It was looking in green only. एक भी दिन it has not looked back. So this resistance broken, of course it has broken. और जैसा मैंने कहा था, ये एटीएस को तो टच कर लेगा, तो एटीएस को तो टच कर ही चुका है. दैट वाज 22,222, ये यहाँ पे. एंड इट हैज ऑल्सो ब्रोकन. तो अभी इट इज ट्रेडिंग, आई थिंक ऑन दैट डे इट इज टच द हाई ऑफ around, if I'll take the round figure, that is 20,002. Round figure is 20,300, but exact figure is 20,291. So 20,300 के अराउंड तो ये पहुंच ही चुका है. और नो डाउट इट विल गो टू दिस रेजिस्टेंस ऑल्सो इन कमिंग वीक, एंड दैट इज 20,500. 20,500 यहाँ पे आके कहीं इस प्लेस पे, इट इज अ वेरी वेरी strong resistance. It may face here, but again I am telling you, if it again it's breaking this resistance, तो फिर सीधे ये 20,900 के आसपास कहीं आएगा. बट अभी अभी के लिए आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू दैट जंपिंग ऑन दैट लेवल, बिकॉज लेट्स वेट. इतनी जल्दी ये इस रेजिस्टेंस को तोड़ने वाला नहीं है. सो it may take reversal from here, and then it will again retest, yeah, whatever we say. And अगर मैं पूरे वीक का एक सपोर्ट देखूं, तो इट कैन बी, इसके पहले भी एक सपोर्ट है. बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई से टू सी द फुल लॉन्ग वीडियो, बिकॉज आई गिव स्मॉल सपोर्ट ऑल्सो. सो इसके पहले भी एक ये सपोर्ट है जो कि है 19,950 एग्जैक्ट. 19,950 का एक सपोर्ट इसके पहले भी आया था यहाँ पे. And 19,950, if it's breaking 19,950 also, it will go to 19,800. इसको थोड़ा सा नहीं, 19,850 अराउंड, 850 से 800 के आसपास. नहीं, ये 19,000, यस. सो 19,800 टू 850 का एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है. बट ओनली आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग दिस 19,950, इफ आई टेक द राउंड फिगर, दैट कैन बी 20,000. तो 20,000 कैन बी अ गुड सपोर्ट, बट ब्रेकिंग 20,000, इट may take it to the 19,800 to 850. तो if I give the exact level, आई विल टेक लिटिल रेंज में थोड़ा सा लेके चलूंगी. तो ये छोटे वाले सपोर्ट आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू, बट द मेन सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस कैन बी दिस एंड दिस ओनली. निफ्टी 50 लेवल फॉर द कमिंग वीक कैन बी सपोर्ट 19,800 and resistance can be 20,500. So this support and this resistance was proper था. बट उसके अंदर में 19,950 का भी एक वो है, और 19,800 टू 850 का भी वो है. तो प्लीज कीप दिस important numbers, important level in your mind. As Nifty 50 was showing positivity, Nifty Bank was also not behind it, and he It has also shown very good movement, very good up move. You can see I have taken a small resistance line, trend line also here. See, it is actually, अगर मैं देखूँ तो डबल बॉटम का एक पैटर्न बन चुका है इन निफ्टी बैंक. It has made a double bottom pattern, but yes, it has not given breakout till now. So it has not given breakout till now, so it may take resistance here and may fall back to this level, or it may break this level and go to next level can be this 45,000. वो मैं I will tell later. So this is the pattern is actually Nifty Bank is forming this pattern, and the resistance here is 45,000 around. I will take the round figure, which is 45,000. So 45,000 an important level. Nifty Bank has to break it. Support is actually 44,200. Again, I'm here taking two support because this is very near support. तुरंत ही इधर आ जाएगा 44,200. But yes, if it's breaking this level, 44,000 is a round figure of the support for the Nifty Bank. So let's wait Nifty Bank to break this 45,000. 45,000 ब्रेक करने के बाद निफ्टी बैंक कैन गो टू दिस लेवल, एंड विच इज एक्चुअली 45,700 अराउंड. 45,700 के पास ये इमीडिएटली पहुंच सकता है, इवन इन द विद इन द वीक, इवन विद इन द वीक ऑल्सो. सो you need to keep your eyes on this level and check what is going to do Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank level for the coming week can be support 44,200 and resistance can be 45,000. मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया कि 44,200 को ब्रेक करने के बाद ये 44,000 तुरंत ही पहुंच जाएगा. तो प्लीज 44,000 को भी यू शुड कीप इन योर माइंड. At the end of the video, in summary, Nifty 50 level for the coming week can be 20,000 support to 20,500 resistance, and Nifty Bank level for the coming week support 44,200 to resistance 45,000. So this was in short. If you have any query regarding any stock, any index level, Nifty level, please comment me in the comment box, or you can DM me also on the Instagram and Twitter. The ID is on your screen. Stay connected and subscribe the channel to know the Nifty and Index update. Signing off.